Story 10. Song of Death. Once in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young musician named Alex. He had a gift for playing the violin that enchanted everyone who heard him. The villagers often gathered in the town square to listen to his melodies that seemed to paint pictures in the air. One day, an old man named Mr. Thomas visited the village. He was drawn to Alex's music and approached him with a mysterious smile. "Young man," he said, "your music has a special magic. There's a tale in these hills, and only your violin can bring it to life." Intrigued, Alex agreed to follow Mr. Thomas into the heart of the hills. As they reached a secluded spot, Mr. Thomas began to tell a haunting tale of an ancient curse. Legend had it that when the moon was full, the spirits of the hills awoke, and their song echoed through the wind. It was a beautiful but melancholic melody that could captivate even the bravest souls. "But beware," warned Mr. Thomas, "for the song has a darker side. If someone plays it on the violin under the full moon, the spirits will be summoned, and they will claim a soul in return." Despite the warning, the temptation was too strong for Alex. He felt an irresistible urge to play the Song of Death. That night, under the luminous full moon, he raised his violin and began to play the haunting melody that Mr. Thomas had shared. As the last note echoed through the hills, a strange mist enveloped the area. Unseen hands seemed to grab at the shadows. Alex felt a chill down his spine, realizing that he had unleashed forces beyond his understanding. The next morning, the village awoke to find Alex gone. His violin lay on the ground, and the townsfolk could swear they heard a distant, sorrowful tune lingering in the air. Whispers of the mysterious Song of Death spread through the village. From that day on, no one dared to play the forbidden melody. Alex's disappearance became a cautionary tale, and his violin, untouched and eerie, remained a silent witness to the haunting song that had changed the fate of the young musician. And so, the village continued, haunted by the memory of the song that echoed through the hills, a reminder that some melodies are better left unplayed. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your English, subscribe to our channel, Listen English Story with GKS.